In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Analytics data. The process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, but it's essential for ensuring that all your valuable analytics information is safely stored and easily accessible for future reference. To begin with, head over to the Google Analytics homepage. This is where you'll find the main tools and solutions that Google offers to help optimize your business analytics. Once you're there, locate the Sign into Analytics option and click on it. This will take you directly to your analytics dashboard, a hub of valuable data insights about your website's performance. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics homepage. This is your control center, where you can navigate through different sections of your analytics account. From here, find and select Settings. The Settings panel is crucial as it houses all the configurations for your analytics data and integrations. In the Settings menu, look for an option called Product Links. This is where you'll manage all third-party applications and services that interact with your Google Analytics account. By clicking on Product Links, you're opening a gateway to integrate various Google services that enhance your data capabilities. Next, proceed to BigQuery Links. BigQuery is a powerful data warehouse tool provided by Google, and linking your analytics data to BigQuery allows for advanced data analysis and storage. With this link, you can export your Google Analytics data for more profound insights and keep a long-term archive of your information. Once you are in the BigQuery link section, you will have to create a new link. Click on Create a Link with BigQuery. This will initiate the integration process. You might need to grant certain permissions to BigQuery to allow access to your analytics data. Rest assured, this is a standard procedure and necessary for a successful backup. Throughout this entire process, remember to check your settings and ensure that everything is configured correctly. A solid understanding of each tool's functionality and permissions is vital for effective data management. Once the link is established, you can start transferring your data to BigQuery, allowing for scalable and manageable data storage. Backing up your Google Analytics data to BigQuery not only safeguards your information, but also equips you with powerful tools for analyzing trends, performance metrics, and user behavior in greater depth. This enhances your ability to make informed business decisions. And there you have it, the step-by-step process to effortlessly back up your Google Analytics data. This straightforward yet powerful workflow protects your data and empowers your analysis capabilities. Feel free to ask any questions or leave comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.